Welcome to you all. Today we are going to learn adaptation in animals. Living things have special features that help them to meet their needs. These special features are called adaptation. It is of two types: structural adaptation and behavioral adaptation. Let us see one by one with examples. Structural adaptation in animals. It involves animal body parts which help them to survive in their habitat. Let us see with an example. We know polar bear lives in one of the coldest habitat. Still it survives in the coldest habitat, but we cannot. So what are the adaptations are there in polar bear which made them to survive in coldest climate? There are many adaptive features are there which help them to survive in cold region. See one by one. Polar bear has big furry paws which act like snow shoes which enable them to walk on snow. The fur prevents its paws from sliding on ice and keeps its paws warm in the cold. It has a layer of fat under their skin which is covered by a thick fur which protect against cold. The hollow hair on the polar bear keep it warm. As the warmth from the sun travel down this hollow hair to the polar bear's skin, keeping the bear warm in cold weather. In this way, polar bear can survive in cold climate. Another structural adaptation in giraffe. Giraffe has long neck which allow them to take leaves from the top of the tree, helping them avoid food competition from other herbivores. Adaptation in camel. Camel can survive in desert, which is hot and dry place. They have wide feet for walking in sand. They have long, thin eyelashes and slit nostril, which help to close and protect them from blowing sand. They are adapted to survive a long time without water and food. Do you know why? Because they have long, large intestine that absorb the last drop of water from the food that they eat. It is also due to presence of hump which store fat which will break down to supply energy when it need. Adaptation in electric eel. An electric eel can produce electricity inside its body. It helps to sense its surrounding. It also helps to protect itself and to stun its prey. Adaptation in zebra. The stripes on the zebra confuse the predators. The striped marking make it difficult for predators to target individual zebras in a large herd. In this stripe protect the zebra from other animals. and it can move in a herd. Next, adaptation in carnivores. Carnivores such as lion, tiger, cheetah, and so many more have sharp canine teeth to kill and tear the flesh of other animal. Next, the adaptation in duck. Webbed feet in duck, which have connection between their toe-like digits, which help them to swim. Generally, birds can fly, but the webbed feet bird can swim fast in the water. Next, the behavioral adaptations in animals. Behavioral adaptations in which an animal behaves to adapt in their surrounding or habitat. Animals hibernate is an example of behavioral adaptation. Some animal lives in areas where it is difficult to find food in the winter. These animals undergo hibernation. It is also called winter sleep. How the animals survive during hibernation. When an animal hibernates, its body temperature falls and its heart beats more slowly. So the animals need less energy to survive. See the hibernation in chipmunk. Chipmunk hibernate in its nest. Some species of bear hibernate inside the den, as for example American black bear, brown bear, grizzly bear. Hedgehog will also undergo hibernation. Hedgehog will sleep in a specially built nest in thick underground, or under a shade, or in the piles of leaves. It will never sleep or hibernate outside a nest. Bat can also go for hibernation in caves between rocks or tree hollows. We can also see behavioral adaptation in musk oxen. Do you know how musk oxen can survive? Musk oxen, when attacked by predators, musk oxen try to run to nearby higher ground and then form a circle with the young and female musk oxen in the center, and the male musk oxen, which are large and have horn, facing outer ring of the circle to attack the predators with their sharp horns. In this way, musk oxen can protect themselves and their families. Migration is one of the behavioral adaptations we see in the animals, which help to survive animals. Birds migrate for breeding or in search of food due to environmental factors like weather or seasons. Animals migrate to find food or more livable condition or to breed. Salmon begins its life in a river and migrate downstream to the ocean to breed. Now let us write some questions. This is for you to practice. How do camels survive in desert? What are the adaptations in polar bear which make them survive in cold climate? How does a zebra protect itself from the predators? Thank you so much for watching, and if you have not subscribed the channel, please subscribe the channel, like and share the video Follow on Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.